Welcome to the Urban Environment System for effortlessly creating road components using the railing tool. This video will show a preview of all the components and then demonstrate how to use them. All elements are divided into three main categories: road, sidewalk, and markings. Roads with 2, 3, and 4 lanes are predefined. They are available with 2 lane widths, narrow and wide. A combination of sidewalk, bike, and bus lanes can also be found. Road arrows are modeled in 2 different styles. Crosswalks, speed bumps, and a combination of both are also predefined. Sidewalk with bus lane, bike lane, or green buffer. Curb ramps as components and as railing. All elements can be used as floors with the same properties as the railings. Most line types can be found. 3D model text in 2 text styles. Common symbols as face space families. Traffic barriers and parking spaces are also predefined, both as railing and face space family. As all elements are designed to work in a system, it is important to note that the pink line indicates the placement line of the railings.